Okay, Bob, thank you. Well, ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern joining us now. Richard, good to see you. And
Welcome back.
thank you. And a bit of a tale of two markets.
No
today.
question, it's been that way all week, and the Dow was up 130 points today, but not at the close. In fact, the Dow Jones Industrial Average has actually been down 3 days in a row, while, yes, the NASDAQ and the S&P have been up 4 out of the last 5 days. The NASDAQ setting records almost every single day, and certainly today was a very, very strong day for the NASDAQ. So if your portfolio is full of Dow stocks, not so much. If you have all those famous FANG stocks, you had one heck of a day. Let's take a look at the numbers as of the 4 o'clock close. There you see the Dow is down less than 26 points, only 0.1%, but that is a down arrow, closing at 25,175.31. That on volume of 906 million shares. The NASDAQ, again, the star of the show, up 65 points, more than 0.8%. Closing at 7,761.04. That on volume of 2,334 million shares. The S&P followed the NASDAQ, not the Dow. The S&P was up by 0.25%, not quite 7 points, at 2,782.49. Well, look out below. Those were the words probably heard today at a very well-known company that owns a lot of men's stores. How about Joseph A. Bank? Yes, that's one. And Men's Wearhouse. They're both owned by Tailored Brands. You may not realize it, but Men's Wearhouse actually bought Joseph A. Bank in 2014, changed their name to Tailored Brands in 2016, and today the stock fell by a whopping 21% in one day after the company said that business going forward does not look to be as strong as they had originally anticipated. And when you fall 21% in one day, that hurts. Just no other way to say it.
Maybe men aren't dressing up as much. I don't know.
I don't know about you guys.
Well, you've got some great information coming up, Richard, on the new tax law, right?
Exactly. We talked about it the other day, but let's talk about it again. We've got a digest here that talks about the changes in the tax law for 2018. There are a lot of people who just simply don't have a good handle on it yet, and we do have a way for our viewers to simply write in or call in and get it. If you take a look, I think we'll have it on the screen right now. It is the Stern Group at rwbaird.com. Again, the Stern Group at rwbaird.com, or you can call our office 941-906-2838. We'll be happy to send it out to you and maybe answer some questions. There's an awful lot of confusion out there about the brand new tax law.
Okay. Richard, thanks so much.
A pleasure.